Staying positive. Yes, it is very much important to stay positive in our day-to-day life, to enjoy happy and fulfilled life with lot of success. So why staying positive is important? If you see, on daily basis, a human being gets almost 50 to 55,000 thoughts, and in those almost 80 to 85% thoughts are negative for an average human, and only 15 to 20% thoughts are positive thoughts. So if we get this much amount of negative thoughts, then obviously we cannot have a happy life. So we need to make sure that we convert our negative thoughts and replace them with positive thoughts. Now, what kind of impact these negative thoughts put on us? If you see, when you get a negative thought, a result of it will be a negative emotion, and every negative emotion will convert in a negative action, and due to that negative action you will have more negative thoughts. So obviously, if you need to stop this cycle, you need to replace your negative thoughts with the positive thoughts. So how can we replace our negative thoughts to positive thoughts? So here are 4 steps which I will be providing, using what you can start eliminating negative thoughts and consciously start converting your negative thoughts into positive thoughts. So the first step is gratitude. Yes, gratitude is a very powerful tool when it comes on staying positive. As you know, gratitude says that you should have a gratitude for every good thing in your life. If you show the gratitude towards the things what you got, you will get more good things in life. So on daily basis, you must give the gratitude to the things what you have, for what you are grateful. Now you must be thinking, oh, my life is so negative, I do not have any positive things in life. Lot of people think like that, but we take lot of things so granted that we start thinking that those things are not given, they are always there. If you have a happy family, you must be thankful for that. If you have an understandable wife, you must be thankful for that. If you have understandable parents, you must be thankful for that. If you have good kids, you must be thankful for that. If you have a home to stay, you must be thankful for that. If you are able to get 2 times meal daily, you must be thankful for that. If you have air to breathe, if you have water to drink, if you have nature to enjoy, you must be thankful for that. Every new day when you get, you must be thankful for that, because lot of people are there who has not seen the next day in their life, but you are seeing it. So when you start realizing there are thousands of good things are happening in your life, because you are focusing on bad things, you are forgetting these good things in your life. If your body is healthy, you must be thankful for that. If you have a job, you are able to earn, you must be thankful for that. If you are able to buy new clothes, electronic gadgets, you must be thankful for that. So on daily basis, start showing gratitude for the good things in your life, what is there. It will change your mindset and make it positive. And when your mindset will change from negative to positive, your thoughts will automatically start changing. Now the next point is do meditation. Yes, meditation is very good exercise to calm your mind and connect yourself to the higher power. Daily in the morning, you should meditate 10 to 15 minutes. You will get lot of meditation musics, which if you will listen, you will be able to meditate very easily, and you will have so much inner peace that you will have very less chance of getting unnecessary negative thoughts. So this is one of the effective way to avoid negative thoughts. If you see a lot of spiritual guru, why they are so calm and quiet? Because of the power of meditation. So start meditating on daily basis. Now the third step is wake up early in the morning. Why it is important to wake up early in the morning? See, when you wake up early in the morning, you control your day. You plan what to happen, what not to happen. You are able to finish lot of things before you get stuck in daily chores. So getting up early in the morning gives you the positive energy, gives the calmness to your mind, and you are able to avoid lot of negative thoughts because of that. Because you feel happy when you got up in the morning. That is a natural process. So start getting up early in the morning. Now the fourth step is eat healthy. If you would have realized, whenever you have lot of oily junk food, you don't feel good after having. Only while having the food, your tongue will be very happy and you will be enjoying the food. But once you are done with the food, after half an hour or something, you will feel a kind of uneasiness within you. Your inner peace goes away because of that kind of food, junk food. While on the other hand, when you have a good meal, a healthy meal, while having the meal, you may not feel that great maybe, but after having the meal, you will have a kind of inner peace and you will feel very energetic and very happy. So a healthy meal changes your mood in good, and when your mood is good, you are going to get positive thoughts, not the negative one. So these are the 4 steps. If you follow, you will able to replace most of your negative thoughts to positive thoughts, and because of positive thoughts, you will get the positive emotions. Because of positive emotions, you will be going to take the positive actions, and when you take the positive actions, you will grow better, and with the result of that positive actions, you will get more positive thoughts. This is Deepak Chaurasia. If you love my content, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon so you do not miss any awesome videos from my end. Thanks guys, take care, bye bye.